stress and I'm going with my stash. Tryna make it last. Flops overflow like they did in the past. Ain't with me, they still tryna ask. Fuck you wanna know about me? Fuck a nigga bitch up for 40 OZ. Shit, I keep it low key. Many people saying that they know it, like there's plenty of the shit I ain't see. Catch me overseas in the fucking white tee. Bitches say LaVelle, man, I really want the D. Niggas say LaVelle, man, I really wanna see. Y'all know about me. Stress keeps building. Blood stops flowing. Brain got me open. Gone off a potion. Stress keeps building. Gone off a potion. Stress keeps building. Stress keeps building. Gone off a potion. Gone off a potion. Gone off a potion.
Yo, smoking motherfucker, don't come around me with no vape. Got your bitch under the cover, sucking on me like a bait. It's the hero with a dog, but I don't ever wear a cape. Take a pic and then I spark it to the blunt evaporate. They know the bait was suicide. Too deep when I ride. Ruby getting out for the pills that I supply. The screws are bound, flat tires in a '06 Chevy. Looking like I'm Bloody Mary, sipping codeine and berry. I'm down the doggo when I smoke up and I'm creeping like Frank. Raising the chopper right at your face and after that I go blank. Just looking at off the hinges with syringes shooting up my veins. Rather be left alone, I don't care to know your name, homie.
Pull up in the Lamborghini just so you can see me swerving to a telephone pole. My skeleton rope, Pirelli smoking bar. Put my ashes in the blunt like a front. Your bitch is blurred, you might be blurred. Now could be the cherry as in your world.
Watch me flex like I'm